Back to the channel, everybody. Martin with Belvoir Auto Spa, and we are in month number 6 of our ultimate ceramic coating torture test. Again, this was fan requested or crowd requested, so that's why I'm doing it. I didn't expect to continue it this long, but here we are. So the last 3 months, this hood has been flipped upside down while it's been in my yard. I'm flipping it right side up for the test so you can read it. A lot of the labels have fallen off. I've written best I can over where the label fell off of what the product was. So what we're going to do is we're going to wash it. We're going to rinse it, wash it with Coat Chemi Reactivation Shampoo, see if there's any changes. Wash it again. So we're going to wash it 2 times. Then we'll go over it with Ryan West Water Spot Remover, which is an acid. Then we'll wash it one final time and inspect. So let's go ahead and get to it. That was Fein Lab that just fell off. And what did we also lose? That's it. Alright, so just to check after the first wash, this was Fein Lab Ceramic V3 that fell off, and this is Meguiar M888. We can see Armor Detail Supply Stack's doing really good. Seacorts UK still doing pretty good up there. Stark Liquid Thor, Liquid Kraken, DIY Stack, in the 5 and 8 year, Fein Lab Stack. Alright, yeah, I'm not going to go over each one. I'm going to wash it again, acid wash it with, we're going to wash it, we're going to go over it with the Water Spot Remover, then wash it one last time. And we just pull off there. Armor Detail Supply Stack sticker came off. Alright, we're going to go for a Water Spot Remover. This will really reveal how the coating's performing after being decontaminated. Oh yeah, that's looking real good. One final wash. Alright, now let's inspect. Alright, going close. The D-Quartz pre-production and the D-Quartz retail. Pre-production seems like it's doing a little bit better. C-Quartz UK 3.0 and SIC. UK doing really good. SIC is doing alright. Black Rifle graphics and optics. Graphics doing pretty good. Optics not doing so great. Still slowly sheeting. Black Rhino standard. I don't know if I said Black Rifle just a second ago. Underdog Marine and Black Rifle fat bead. Black Rhino fat beads. Jesus. Underdog Marine doing really good. Stark Liquid Thor, Stark Repel, Liquid Thor doing really good. Underdog Pro and Pro Plus. Starting to slow down now. Pro Plus doing alright, but not doing as good as it was. Stark Liquid Kraken. Ethos Easy Peasy and Ceramic V2. Those are pre-production samples that aren't going to final production because there was an issue. Ethos Graphene Max V2. That's doing really good. That's definitely a winner there. DIY 3-year, 5-year. 3-year not doing so great. 3 years it's coming through a little bit. 5 years doing decent, pretty good. DIY 8-year. Not doing as good as the 5-year. Then their stack over here is doing really good. So the DIY detail stack is definitely a combo to get. And that's 8-year on the bottom with 5-year on top. Let's do the left side. System X Max, Pro, and Crystal. Max is doing better than Pro, which are both doing better than Crystal. Ryan West 9H, doing really good. Ryan West 7H, doing decent. Let's hear. This was Fine Lab Ceramic V3, not doing so bad. The Fine Lab Ceramic V3 with their latest overcoat, doing pretty good. Below that, we got, this is Armor Detail Supplies Stack. It's their Pro with their standard. That's doing really good. The regular Pro, doing alright. Armor Detail Supply Quartz. It's hanging in there. Apex BC7, not doing so great. This is Cerakote V1, obviously we all know the story about that. Right here is Meguiar's M888. It's not doing so great. Giamo's Evo. Hanging in there, still doing alright. And then this was a Gloss Revolution Barrel 3 from Puerto Rico. Not doing so good. So, probably the best ones, I would say here. D-Quartz pre-production doing better than the regular one, which is surprising. C-Quartz UK, definitely doing really good. Underdog Marine, Stark Liquid Thor, Stark Liquid Kraken, Ethos Graphene Max V2, DIY's 5-year, doing pretty good. DIY Stack, excellent. Armor Stack, excellent. Fine Lab Stack, excellent. System X Max Pro, Ryan West 9H doing really good. 7H, alright. What do we have here? Fine Lab Ceramic V3, I don't really count that one. Yeah, the Armor Detail Supply Stack. So yeah, probably the best ones are these 3 stacks right here with a Stark Liquid Kraken, Ethos Graphene Max, Stark Liquid Thor, Underdog Marine, C-Quartz UK, Ryan West 9H, and System X Max. So there you go, guys. That is 6 months in. How long we're going to keep going, that depends on you guys. You want to see more, let me know in the comments, or check me on the Facebook group. You can even message my profile. I'm pretty responsive. But that's all I got for you guys in this one. If you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up, and I will see you all in the next video. Keep them clean. Have a good one.